Hi, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2015 reg Fiat Qubo 1.4 petrol wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. So this one's only done 13,500 miles from new. It's a one owner car, ex Motability, so it's got the full service history, including recent timing belt change. So this one is a wheelchair passenger up front. Nice lightweight, easy to fold down ramp. As you can see, the wheelchair passenger there will sit up alongside the driver, give you a better view out of the road, which is quite nice. It also comes with rear parking sensors. It's got alloy wheels. It's got darkened rear privacy glass, so a bit cooler in the summer months. Fog lights as well. Just take you around and show you inside the driver's side. There you go, 13,571 miles. That's all your radio, CD, air conditioning. Also has Bluetooth for your mobile phone, so you can pair that up. Electric windows, 2 electric mirrors, it's got 2 keys as well. So there you have it. So if that's of interest, if you've got any more questions about the car, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.